Hi guys, thank you for stopping by my portfolio. My name is Adebanjo Marvelous. I'm a full stack developer with over 5 years of experience, and also you can call me Marvel the Creator. Actually, I have a good news for you for stopping by to view my portfolio. I've actually created some free tools, and some of the tools are also AI powered tools, and you can basically use them to move your business forward, to promote your business, to grow your brand, to grow your business, to make money from it, right? So make sure below this video you click the link and check out those free tools I've actually developed for you. Also, I offer a range of services, which is web development, mobile app development. If you need any of them from scratch, or you want me to work on your existing project, I can help you bring your project to life, to existence for the best, right? So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Once again, thank you for stopping by my portfolio. I'm so grateful and I'm honored to be called your developer. Thank you very much.